Hey guys, today the topic is drones with camera for adults. We have selected the best drones with the best reviews and popular brands. Potensic D88 Pro Drones. Manufacturer, Potensic. Working as your professional photographer, this Potensic D88 Pro drone available modes include Follow Me, DIY Circle Flight and Waypoint Flight with app control. Just relax and enjoy the fun of flying and filming from up above. This GPS drone may be lost due to man-made operation or windy weather. But don't worry, our exclusive Potensic Pro app can record drone last drop or disappear places, enable pilots to follow the app map to track and find the drone back easily. With a control range of up to 2 km, gives pilots endless possibilities. It broadcasts on 5.8 GHz for better Wi-Fi image reliability. The live video transmission and high-quality cameras offers a terrific flying experience, and allows you to see what the drone camera sees in real time. Potensic D88 FPV Drone. Brand, Potensic. 5G Wi-Fi high-speed image transmission without delay. Enjoy real-time images through app. Professional 4K camera with 110 degrees wide angle can adjust 90 degrees, recording every wonderful moment. Built-in 1-axis gimbal, reducing vibration and shooting more stable. 4K camera needs 4 to 32 GB micro SD card. Please use the phone that supports 5G Wi-Fi band. Foldable fuselage, easy to carry and store, powerful brushless motor, GPS intelligent return, 1-button return, follow me mode, interest point surrounds, altitude hold, ultrasonic altitude setting, optical flow positioning, orbit flight, remote control with LED screen. Ruko F11 Pro Drones. Brand, Ruko. Experience splendid 4K Ultra HD picture quality and 2.9K video for stunning clarity, high contrast, vivid colors. Bring amazing views. The camera with a 120° 5 lens and 90° adjustable camera gives a broad view of your memorable moment. The modular battery easily replaces and could be recharged by USB cable. The LED indicator on the battery shows exactly the remaining power, reminding you of the flying time. 2 batteries extend your flight time to 60 minutes. Equipped with an upgraded 2500 mAh intelligent battery provides up to 30 minutes flight time. The package together with 1 extra battery extends your flight time to 60 minutes, this gives you more fun. Ruko F11 GIM Drones. Brand, Ruko. With the gimbal stabilization, the 4K camera can provide you ultra-clear, super smooth footage of your adventures. The upgraded 4K camera removes the fisheye effect, the 5x zoom capability allows you to capture the detail of the beauty while flying. The GPS-assisted feature like Waypoint Flight explores your creative fun time with the drone. The new Fly app offers a simple and intuitive user experience. It also includes clear guidance for you to start the game quickly even for a beginner. Even fly as far as 1,900 feet, you are still able to enjoy the stabilized and clear smooth real-time view transmission by the drone. GPS-assisted features like point of interest allow you to have fun of fly, find the beauty of nature in every aspect. DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo. Brand, DJI. DJI Mini 2 is beginner-friendly, powerful, and mini. Impressive performance, stunning image quality, and creative videos are just a few taps away. Explore an entirely new perspective, capturing the moments that make your life truly yours. Select from wide angle, 180 degrees, and sphere panoramas, and DJI Mini 2 will do the rest, generating a panoramic masterpiece almost instantly. The DJI Fly app features intelligent, built-in photo optimization. The app automatically enhances image quality after downloading a photo, resulting in vivid colors and details that pop.